cute. Might delete later.
Anong later? No mo na deleting yan, hahaha.
Lakas mag-post. Bobo naman sa recitation.
Mukhang lumaki kang mabait, nene. Musta si mama mo?
Ngayon ba lang, i-delete mo na. Hahaha.
Huy, post ka ng post, nagagalit na leader niyo sa PR. Mag-survey ka daw.
Grabe naman. Di ba ikaw ang pinutulan ni ano? Hahaha. Malabo na ata mata nun.
Girl naman, talagang feeling cute lang kasi dito to, oh.
Cute naman ang aso niyo.
Charlene! Okay ka na?
Hindi ko nga alam, lakas mo lang manira kahit wala naman ang ginagawa. Tapos?
Grabe naman yun, mga bully.
Kaya mo siya, nandito naman kung pag-side. Dadalhin na. Hayaan nyo na, lalala lang sa lalo. Okay ka lang? Nakikita ko yung mga comments sa post na. Hayaan mo sila, ginamit nila ako dati. Ayoko na talaga! Gusto ko namatay na lang! Hoy, Patre! Magtapon ka ng basura! Nasalig ko pa yan dyan!
This is probably my last time feeling this happy. Not because I am going to be sad, but because I don't want to feel any emotion anymore. I don't want to suffer this misery anymore. I am grateful for the wonderful friendship that I had that filled the missing spot in my life that my family could not. Why I am even writing this? All because I got cyberbullied? Did we really need to integrate bullying into the advancement of technology? Whatever it is, I am happy to be expecting what I have been fearing for. I am going to stop this life that is not worth too much to live for. Farewell. Thank you for the moments we had.